Greetings, dear Christian brethren. I am Richard Cotes. In the 17th century, I was renowned as a printer and publisher, dedicated to Puritan and Reformed literature. From 1635 to 1652, I had the honour of being the official bookseller of London. Today I am privileged to share with you a helpful publication from one of the Westminster Assembly divines, Dr. William Price. Dr. Price was a pastor of Waltham Abbey, who was followed by Obadiah Sedgwick when the Lord took him home to heaven. Dr. Price's works are very rare, and only two have survived into your day. Puritan Publications has published both these works in a single volume titled The Soul's Porter, or a Treatise on the Fear of God. In this masterful treatise on godly fear, he expounds two texts. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction, Proverbs chapter 1 verse 7, and also fear God and keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man, from Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 13. He covers the nature and kinds of fear in general, and more specifically and practically the fear of God. He shows the proper distinguishable symptoms of the fear of God and essential ingredients that constitute true, genuine, biblical fear. Dr. Price gives a serious exhortation to fear God as well as the means by which the fear of God may be worked on and increased. This treatise brings practical insight into an extremely important subject that many Christians, both in my day and in yours, tend to forget. Also contained in the volume is his sermon, Man's Delinquency Attended by Divine Justice Intermixed with Mercy. This sermon was given to the House of Lords assembled in Parliament in the Abbey Church at Westminster on November 25, 1646, during a solemn day of their monthly fast. It is a deeply heartfelt sermon on Ezra chapter 9 verses 6 to 8, covering the responsibility of dispensing justice coupled with mercy. It is extremely rare and a great blessing to have it contained in this book. This work is available right now at Puritan Publications in both ebook and printed editions. I encourage you to obtain a copy from them and embark on this enlightening study of understanding the fear of God. Certainly, if the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, this ought to be a subject that Christians desire to know more deeply. As Dr. Price was a great advocate for service to King Jesus, so it can only be rightly accomplished in a godly fear. Do you have this kind of fear, or even know what such a fear is? The subject is undoubtedly weighty, but Dr. Price makes it very approachable. I pray that as you investigate this topic, you gain a deeper understanding of King Jesus' will and its significance in your life day by day. I leave you with my blessings. Amen.